Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Realin Villena Rabut from Magapit, Lalo, Cagayan Valley, Philippines. 25 years old, single. My height is 165 centimeter and my weight is 50 kilogram. I'm a Christian by faith and I am a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. I have two brothers and one sister. My father's occupation is a laborer and my mother is a freelance massage therapist. My hobbies are cooking, washing dishes, reading, and singing. I have an experience as a helper here in the Philippines. For 5 years, I have served three members of the family, two adults and one child, age 2 years old. To my future employer, you can put your trust in me and I will do my best to do my responsibilities and job. Before I end, I will sing a song. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.